everybody, and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Well, today I'll be sharing with you a breakfast item that I make quite regularly at my place, and that is some bhakri, and this is some onion and peanut chutney. Now this onion and peanut chutney goes so well with this bhakri. And I make this bhakri out of 3 flours, basically jowari or jowar, bajri, which is bajra, and some nacchni flour. And it's really so healthy to start your day with lovely bhakris and this gorgeous chutney. This chutney is made out of just few ingredients that we have in our kitchen, and it has this amazing flavor. It is tangy, it is sweet, it is spicy, it is a little sour. It is just perfect. So I hope you like today's recipe, and I hope you give it a try. Do let me know in the comments box below how you like this recipe. If you do, then don't forget to leave this a big thumbs up by hitting the thumbs up button on the that you see below this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to Akshata's Recipes yet, please hit the red subscribe button and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. It's completely free. And once you subscribe, just click the bell. That way, every time I put up a new recipe or a vlog or a video, you'll be the first one to know. So let's just go straight ahead into my kitchen and make this amazing breakfast idea of bhakris with onion and peanut chutney. So let's start making this lovely chutney. Now here I have grated about 3/4 of a tablespoon of gur or jaggery. Then I am just going to be roasting about 1/4 cup or 1/4 cup of peanuts. You can also use the peanut powder or the shengdanyache kutt. You'll require about 1 heaped tablespoon. Otherwise, you can just roast them. Now here I am just peeling 1 medium chopped onion and chopping it roughly. You can use the red onion. This onion and peanut chutney is just a different taste. You are going to love it, and it goes amazingly well with bhakri. So you can just slice the onion, or you can just roughly chop it up, because we're going to put all of this into our blender or into our mixer pot. Now besides the onion, we require a little bit of some other ingredients. So now the peanuts have been roasted and they are at room temperature. So we're just going to add the onions, the peanuts, the jaggery or the gur to our mixer pot. In addition to that, we are also going to add a little bit of tamarind or CHINCH, and we're also going to add some salt to taste. And we're going to add some red chilli powder. You can add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder or as per taste. Now we want a very fine paste. We're not going to add any water. And after grinding it for a long time to a fine paste, we get this peanut and onion chutney. And now I'm going to show you how I make these bhakris. They're super easy to prepare and they're such a healthy alternative. So here I've just heated up a pan on low heat, and here I've kept about 1 cup of water just to heat up a bit. Now I like to add or rather mix the 3 flours together, that is jowari, bajri and nacchni. You can go with any 1 also or 2 as per your choice. I just like the texture and the taste of when I add all 3 flours together. So here I'm adding about 1/4 cup of jowari flour or jowar, nacchni and some bajra flour. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of salt And now my water is nice and hot, so I'm just going to add that hot water. It shouldn't be boiling hot, it should just be hot enough that you can use your hands to make this into a dough with. So first you can just mix it together with a spoon, and then you can just just knead it with your hands into a very smooth yet a very firm dough. Now, after letting the dough sit for about 5 minutes, we are now going to roll them into smaller balls, like we would when we are making rotis or chapatis or puris. You can just dust a little bit of the flour, and then we're just going to roll it out into a chapati or puri shape. You have to be a little more gentle with this flour, and then we're just going to place it onto the stove, onto the pan, and then we're going to apply water on the top of the bhakri. You can use a brush, a silicone brush too, and then we're going to let it cook for about some few seconds, and then we're going to just flip it over, and we're going to let this cook for about at least half a minute. And then you'll come to know that it's ready when you can just loosen it up with a ladle, and then we're just going to use a pincer or a tong, and we're just going to roast this directly onto the gas flame. So this is roasted, therefore it's so very healthy, and even the flours that we've used in this are so very healthy. And then once it's ready, just apply a generous amount of ghee, that is clarified butter, or toop, and this is the other one that I prepared, and this goes so well with this lovely peanut and onion chutney. This is an ideal breakfast item, or even a lunch item, or even a light dinner item. So here our bhakris are all ready, and just serve them up with this amazing chutney. So I hope you like today's recipes. I hope you give them a try. Let me know in the comments box below how you like this chutney recipe and also the bhakri recipe. If you do like this recipe and this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button that you see below this video. Become a part of Akshata's Recipes family. And once you have subscribed, just click the bell. That way, whenever I put up a video, you'll get the message for the same. Do share Akshata's Recipes with family and friends. Go and explore my channel. I have more than 350 recipes and quite a few vlogs where you'll get to know me better. So thank you so much for watching my videos and for supporting Akshata's Recipes, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care, guys. This is Akshata signing off. Till we meet again. Bye.